All right. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate the llm.txt file in your WordPress website. Now, I'm going to be doing this via the Rank Math plugin. So if you have Rank Math already installed, here is how to activate the llms.txt file on your WordPress website. So just before we proceed to activate the llms.txt file, let's look at a little bit of an overview of what the file does to your WordPress website. Now, if you look at this information right on the Rank Math website, it reads that AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others are changing how people find information online, but they don't work like traditional search engines. That's where the llms.txt file comes in. It helps AI assistants better understand what's on your website so that they can give more accurate answers to users. So that's basically what the llms.txt file does to your website. So I'm just going to go to my WordPress dashboard now so as to show you how to activate the file on your WP site. All right, so once you're logged into your WordPress website, come to your Rank Math SEO plugin and then click on Dashboard. All right, so once you have this interface showing on your dashboard, you can scroll to find llms.txt. It allows you to serve a custom llms.txt file to guide AI models with posts, terms, and most important content on your website. So all you need to do is just have it toggled on. And once that's done, you can go ahead to tweak it further by going to settings. And right on the settings page, you can see a couple of information. The first one is you can select the post types that you want to make crawlable to AI models, and also you can select taxonomies from here, and then you can as well limit your post and you can add extra content right there. But basically all you have to do is just have it activated by the toggle, so that way LLMS is active on your website and AI models can better understand the content that you have on your website. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.